YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, Mr. Blackhorn, and just kind of chilling around the crib today. But I think I'm gonna do a quick video on how to properly clean your wheels. I got a lot of gook and stuff on the inside of my wheel, and so like this right here is where they were putting weights to balance my wheels, and it left all of this stuff on the inside. So as you can see now, the weights to me is in its proper place on the back side of the rim. So because all of these old, sticky pieces of tape and stuff is in there, yeah, I'm gonna clean my wheels today. So yeah, let's get to it. So guys, here's some products I'll be using today. Gonna use this right here, adhesive sticker tape and adhesive remover, because as you saw earlier, it's like some little sticker tape looking stuff in there. And then I also noticed look like some little rock pieces that maybe where some road tar got on it. So I'm gonna use this as well to try to get that off of there. And then of course, after I finish that, I'm gonna go over the entire wheel and just clean it with that. So of course, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice little rinse. The first thing I'm gonna do is spray this on the tape pieces. So as that stuff sits, I'm also going to use this little putty knife or spatula, whatever you call it. I never know what to call this thing. To kind of scrape, it, break it up a little bit before I really get into the cleaning phase. So, and be mindful of your weights as well. You don't want to spray this stuff and this stuff get to the weights that you want to stay on there, because it will loosen up that adhesive that holds it on. And then over time, your weights get loose and start flying off. Then you have to go get your tires rebalanced. So be mindful of that. Good things I got big wheels, so I can reach my hands in here. For those of you who are wondering, these are 24 by 10s. Wrapped in 305, 35 R24s. So in case you're interested in getting some wheels like these are Strata Perfettos black gloss. You can kind of see this stuff is starting to break up. All right, guys, so as I'm going along, I'm noticing that I am not using this as much, but when I spray the adhesive remover on the sticky stuff and then kind of let it sit, I can actually rub it back and forth. See, like with my finger, and it's actually coming off. And I'm also seeing that this is a less abrasive way to do it as well, because that little plastic thing, of course, as gentle as I was trying to be with it, it still kind of left a few fine scratches on my wheel. So, and a lot of these scratches are from wear and tear. This is my daily driver, but left a few fine scratches on the wheel. So I'm doing this with my finger and then wiping it with the towel to add as less scratches as possible. So Just FYI. So as you can see, the wheel is already looking a lot better without looking in there and seeing those sticky pieces and everything. So after taking the time, getting all that stuff out of there, now I'm about to clean the rim and then put a little spray wax on it to kind of polish it, shine it up a little bit more. So stay tuned. Guys, so now that the wheel is clean, I'm gonna use, this is my sort of my go-to when it comes to just spraying on the truck, keeping it nice and shiny. So we're gonna put the Lucas Speed Wax on the wheels. Got us a nice clean microfiber towel. So yep. There you have it, folks. Nice, clean wheel. Looks good from back here. Looks good up close, a lot better than it did. Of course, I got some rock chips and things like that. Like I said, this is my daily driver, so there's some scratches, there's some rock chips, but all in all, it looks good. So thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and choose all so that you can get all notifications as soon as I post. All right, y'all. Peace.